Healthy grilled chicken breast recipe is here, guys. Finally, I'm sharing 2 recipes, homemade, fresh made. It's gonna be delicious. Let's flip the garlic butter. Cilantro lime chicken. Right, 6 fillets of the chicken breast right here. So I'll just hand pick 3. I'll put it in one bowl just like that, and hand pick another 3 and put it. These are all marination bowls. First marination, we are making cilantro lime chicken breast grilled. It's gonna be wonderful. It's gonna be awesome, I can tell you that. Second, we are making garlic butter, the most famous recipe, garlic butter chicken breast on the grill. Let's go, let's do that. We will need our blender juicer. I'll wipe up my chopping board. I need 1 jalapeño for the 3 fillets of the chicken breast. It goes right here. A whole lime. We will try to peel the skin. So 1 whole fresh lime has been peeled. The outer layer is gone. We need just to slice it from the middle and make just dice it so it gets easier for our blender juicer. This is cilantro lime recipe, my friend. We'll need cilantro, okay? Fresh cilantro. Cilantro recipe goes to the fresh cilantro right here. We don't need the stem, and just handful, rough measure for the 3 fillets. Just rough chop it and add it in your blender juicer. So here is the magic ingredient. These are cilantro seeds, 1 tablespoon. Cilantro seeds, 1 tablespoon goes in here. Table salt, 1 tablespoon for the 3 chicken breast fillets goes in here. Use corn oil in this recipe. Here you go. You need at least 5 tablespoons to 6 tablespoons. Cover this. We'll blend this. Cilantro lime chicken breast recipe is right here. Alright, so here it is. This is a puree of cilantro lime chili, right? Corn oil and salt, or you can say coriander, right here. 3 fillets. Just pour everything right on top of it. Give this guy a rinse. Now we are working towards the garlic butter recipe, guys. Very delicious recipe. For the 3 fillets, we will take at least 6 cloves of garlic, or maybe 8. Do 8. These are fresh cloves, and it has to be a garlicky. Cumin, half tablespoon of cumin. This is rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves. So half tablespoon of rosemary leaves. They all go in here. So 1 tablespoon of table salt. This is a butter stick. We need at least half of it, just like this, you know, and we will melt this. Put in your microwaves for like at least 20 seconds. Let's melt this guy. Here it is, melted half stick of the butter. It goes in here. Yum, man. The aroma of this thing. Oh. Let's blend this. Yes. Alright guys, the garlic butter marinade with dry ingredients and the fresh ingredients. It's ready. So this is our marination for these are 3 fillets, right? Chicken breast. This is all grilled recipe. Look at this, man. This is all butter, garlic, cumin, salt. OMG, man. Here's the time. Just give it a rough mix. So all the ingredients, they know they have to meet together. So it's like we are layering our chicken breast right now with these ingredients. I cleaned my hand. Look at this. This is cilantro lime chicken breast. Look at what green beautiful color is this. Wow. Alright guys, once you mix everything up, right, cover these guys with the lid just like that. Put it in your fridge at least for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I'll see you with my grill on. Welcome back guys. It's been exactly 1 hour. Our marinations, the cilantro lime is right here, and our butter garlic chicken breast grilled recipes are right here. This is our charcoal grill. I've lit our coals. It's been almost 30 minutes. If you guys can see, our coals are ready to go. This is our cilantro lime after 1 hour. Take a look on this, guys. Wow, man. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. Here you go, guys. So we will do what? We will put face down of the chicken breast right on top of the charcoals, just like that. Here's the second one, face down. I'll land it right here, right next to it. Yum, man. All right, this is the third one, face down. Garlic and butter. Yummy, man. Right here. Look. Okay. So again, same thing, we will follow, same way we will follow here. Again, face down, put it on the grill. Face down, put it on the grill. Two beautiful recipes are right here. This is initially on the grill. It's been almost 2-3 minutes. Let's flip our chicken breast. Take a look here, guys. Look at this beautiful cilantro lime chicken. Right here. Yum. It looks so good. Perfect. Let's flip the garlic butter. Yum, man. Look at the grill marks on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fantastic, delicious, healthy recipe of the chicken, grilled chicken. I took a foil. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'll take some garlic cloves. This will go with our garlic butter chicken recipe. At least 5, 6 or 10 cloves. I like garlic mostly. Whole marination, I'll put it right on top of it, right next to our garlic chicken. It's gonna get cooked. All right, these are our limes right here. They're getting a little bit grill marks. This is what we need. So it's been a couple minutes on each side. We will again put the breast side down, just like that, guys. This is the initial char. Now we have to cook the chicken. You guys see that? So beautiful, man. Perfect. This is the garlic right here. OMG. Wow, man. As I said in the start of the video, it's gonna take at least 20 minutes for this whole recipe to get cooked. Cover this with the lid on top and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it's been exactly 10 minutes after we put the lid on top of our grill. This is what you're gonna see, guys. If you have a food thermometer, you can put inside the chicken breast, and it's gonna, if it's reach about 165 degrees, it's done. But I'm sharing this recipe on the timely base. So altogether, it's been 14 minutes on the charcoal grill, guys. This is the flip right here. Yum, man. It's so tender, so soft. We still have 6 more minutes to go with the lid on. So I'm just giving it a flip. Yes, sir. Let's cover this with the lid again from the top, and forget about these, guys, at least for 6 more minutes. Friends, the wait is over. So moment of truth, guys. Here is the garlic butter fillet right here, and here is our cilantro lime. Wow, man, look at this. Perfectly done. Let's cut the garlic butter chicken breast. Juicy, yes. Steamy, yes. Cooked, yes. Yes, all the way in. The steam is rising. Take a look on this one. Cilantro lime chicken breast fillet, grilled, healthy, super delicious. Cooked, yes. Juicy, yes. Here you go. What a beautiful recipe is this. Homemade, freshly made, perfectly cooked. You can see all the threads right here, guys. I'll see you on the day after tomorrow with another great recipe. Try this healthy chicken breast recipe on the grill. I've shared 2 recipes. One is cilantro lime, one is garlic butter. I've shared all the ingredients, and you're gonna love this recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. The taste test, man. Look at this. Watery. Yes, sir. It melts in your mouth. Fully cooked in 20 minutes. Nice. Yes, sir. This is what we are talking.